Hey divas, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite brown lip liner, so if you guys are interested then please keep on watching. Okay divas, so today I have 7 brown lip liners that I wanted to share with you guys. So I don't know about you guys, but I have been a creature of habit. Like, if you guys are new to my channel, my favorite brown lippy is Chestnut by MAC, but I was like, I want other options, okay? Like, and I have a couple others that I was sticking to, but I always want more options with brown lip liners. It's always good because, I mean, it's just always good, especially being a chocolate diva. I always need a brown lip liner to make sure that my lip gloss or my lipstick or my lippy combo is popping, okay? So I just wanted to come and give you guys some more options. So let's jump right into these, and I will be swatching them on my hand. I'll do it one at a time so that nobody gets confused. I got my little makeup wipe here so that we can go ahead and get into it. So I am gonna start off with my favorites first, okay? So I just told you guys my favorite is MAC Chestnut, so we're going to be starting off with that one. This one is just absolutely, like, I mean, do I even need to say anything? MAC Chestnut is a classic brown lip liner, excuse me, that everybody needs to have in their life. I absolutely love it. It goes well with reds, pinks sometimes depending on it, and it goes well with every nude, especially if you are chocolatey like me. And you can also wear it all over your lip and it will give you a bomb brown lip look, okay? So here's the first one, and it is Chestnut. The second lip liner is also by MAC. Now, some brown girls don't really like this pencil because they said that it doesn't do anything for them, but honestly for me it does a lot, because so for me what it does is, if I don't want a lip liner to like overpower the lip color, like most of the times I'm like that with my pinks, I do not want a lip liner that is just gonna overpower everything, because I still want the cute pink look without like having too much brown, if you know what I mean. So, and there's other nudes and other lip colors and lip glosses and stuff that I'm like that with. So MAC Cork is perfect for that, okay? Because now, while MAC Chestnut is my favorite, Cork is a favorite as well, because it just doesn't overpower the lips. Sometimes Chestnut could come off a little too strong, okay? And that's when I go to Cork. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Cork for you guys. And I get it, because Cork is like, it's nearly like my skin tone, because you guys could barely see it probably. But yeah, Cork is nearly like my skin tone, but like I said, I really like it for the simple fact that it helps out when I just don't want my lippy to be overpowered. So this next one is one of my all-time faves. It's up there with MAC Chestnut, and I honestly reach for this one and the next one I'm going to talk about if I want something different from MAC Chestnut, but I still kind of want the same look. And this one is by Nika K, and it's in the color Coco. Oh my gosh, and it's only like $1 something at the beauty supply store. Like, this is truly a gem, okay? Like, I love this lip liner. It looks and feels so good on the lips, and it gives you a whole look, okay? So here's the swatch of it, and I just absolutely love this brown lip liner. Like, and if you don't want to spend the money on Chestnut, because I know some people are like, like one of my cousins was like, you need to tell me the dupe for that, because I ain't paying that much for a lip liner. So I definitely would say that this is a dupe. Now, Chestnut is a very unique color. In my personal opinion, it's a very unique brown, so it's kind of hard to dupe it. But if I would say something close, it would definitely be this one and the next one I'm going to talk about. So once again, this is Nika K's Coco. So the next one I'm going to talk about is also a beauty supply store gem that is for the low, okay? This one is by Untitled Deluxe, and this one is in Hot Cocoa. This is another dupe in my opinion for MAC Chestnut. So I absolutely love it, and like I said, like MAC Chestnut is, I feel like it's a unique color, and it's probably not going to be an exact dupe, but, or you know what a dupe is, it's like, it's real similar. So I feel like this one definitely could be one as well as Nika K's Coco. But look at that, so freaking gorgeous, and only like $1 something at the beauty supply. So the last 3 I'm going to mention is actually very new to my collection, but however I really love them, and I'm so glad that I got to try them because I am a creature of habit. Those other pencils, those are the only brown pencils I would ever use to line my lips for years, and I was like, you know what, I need to give the girls something else, so let me venture out and find something. And I've had these for a while in my collection, so I was like, ooh, like let me share these with them too. So the first one is by Makeup Revolution, and this one is their Satin Kiss liner, and this one is in TGIF, and oh my gosh, yes, like this color is, oh, this color is so heavenly. Like I love how chocolatey and just beautiful this brown is. Like it's just really gorgeous, and I feel like it can go with a lot of lippies, and it's definitely a good lippy to put in, or lip liner to put in my lip liner arsenal, especially the brown one, because like look at this color. So the next one is by Juvia's Place. Now I want to talk about this one a little bit because I love this one. I feel like this is the happy medium one. It's like my happy medium between Cork and Chestnut, so I can wear this with a nude lipstick and be just fine, and I could also wear it with my pinks or my lipsticks that I don't want to be overpowered, and I'll just be fine. So like I said, it's just like that happy medium type of brown, and I love how it feels on the lips, and I love the way it performs with other, you know, lippy products. It performs obviously good with the other Juvia's Place, but also other ones because I've tested it out. So yeah, this is a new one that I really love, and this is Juvia's Place Luxe lip liner, and this one is in the shade Cola. So let's go ahead and swatch it. It's just so, like, wow, it's just so freaking pretty. And I know some of you guys are probably like, girl, these are looking like the same color, but they're all definitely different types of browns, but they can all definitely all like work with you know, whatever lippy you needed to work with. But yeah, this is gorgeous. So last but certainly not least is actually the lip liner that I am wearing right now. Okay, I'm wearing this right now in combination with just a lip gloss, and I love this. Like I live for this lip liner. Okay, like I just and that is this is the Sephora Rouge gel lip liner, and this one is in the color set number 17 Molasses. Like oh my gosh, like this lip liner is just so beautiful. Now I did sharpen it wrong. It actually comes, I forgot, it comes with a sharpener on this end, so you could just kind of like take it and twist it, but I accidentally sharpened it with like the regular sharpener, so I made it look kind of crazy. But anyways, it still works. So yeah, just in case you're wondering like why it looked like that. So yeah, here is the swatch, and oh my goodness, I love how creamy it is and how well it works with products. Like look at this color, you guys. So now I'm going to share my lippy combo with you guys that I am wearing right now before I go ahead and close out the video. So let's get right into that. Okay, so I'm popping in to share with you guys my lippy. So it's going to be really simple. It's going to be 2 Sephora products. This is the Sephora Contour Rouge Gel Lip Liner, and this one is in Molasses, and it's number 17, so a really beautiful brown color. And then I'm using this Sephora gloss. I don't know what the name of it is, and I can't really see it on here, but oh, it's the Outrageous Effect Volume, and it's in the number 2. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. The doors open, take the hot road and hop in. Open up. Okay, so now that I line my lips, I'm just gonna go in with the lip gloss. I love the applicator because it kind of curves. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it kind of curves, so it goes like perfectly on your lip. So here is the lippy combo. I just wanted to make sure that I included that in the video for you guys, since I am showing you guys the brown liners. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. Those are my favorite brown lip liners, and I think they will be perfect for chocolatey skin tones and really anybody. If you're looking for a brown lip liner, like, trust me, like, these ones are like, they are it, okay? They will work really well and make your combos pop, okay? So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That will let me know that you like these kind of videos, and you know, I'll post more. So definitely give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Leave me a comment below if you want to, if you feel comfortable, and let me know what you think. Have you tried any of these? Let me know if there's any that I need to try, because I definitely want to do a part 2 of this video eventually, because I always want to share, you know, new stuff, okay? Like, so definitely let me know if there's a brown lip liner that you guys I keep wanting to say lip liner that you guys use, that you adore, and you think I need to put in my lip liner arsenal. And yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.